Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So firstly I have to access Recents section, this section. Like if you have gesture navigation method to access this section, you just swipe your finger and hold it here on the screen for a second, so easily. But if you have old-fashioned 3 buttons navigation system, then I guess you should change it to gestures, but if you don't want to, you just tap on the Recents button, which is located on the right or on the left side of your screen, depending on your settings. So when you're in a recent section, here you can see all of your opened apps. So as you can see, I have some of them here. So to close them all at once, you just tap on the Close All button, and wow, all apps are closed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.